How to customize email notifications on iOS 18.2. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to customize email notifications on iOS 18.2. If you're looking to streamline your notifications and stay focused on what matters most, this is the guide you need. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your device and navigate to the Notifications section. From there, scroll through the list until you locate your email application. Tap on it to access its notification settings. Once you're inside, scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll find the option labeled Customize Notifications. Tap on that, and you'll open up a range of advanced settings designed to give you full control over how and when you're notified. Here, you can decide whether to display notifications only for your primary inbox or for all accounts associated with the app. This is especially useful if you have multiple email accounts but only want to prioritize specific ones. For each email account, you can also choose the type of notifications you'd like to receive. Adjust settings for banners, sounds, and vibrations, or completely mute notifications for less critical accounts. Additionally, iOS 18.2 lets you enable reminders to ensure you don't overlook important messages. Finally, you can set which email account you'd like to designate as your primary email for notifications, making it easier to prioritize messages from your most used account. And that's it. By tweaking these settings, you can make your email notifications work for you, reducing distractions and staying focused. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.